Okay, today we are going to review subtraction with regrouping, but first I want to talk about place value. So when you make your place value chart, it should look something like this. It's kind of like your tic-tac-toe board. It has your hundreds, your tens, and your ones. And then we have our hundreds block. We have our 10 stick, and we have our 1 unit. So over here right now, I have 2 hundreds blocks. So what I'm going to do over here is in my hundreds place, I'm going to write a 2 because that's how many hundreds I have. Now I'm going to count up my tens, and I have 4 tens, so I can say 10, 20, 30, 40. So I know it's worth 40. But on my tens over here, it only wants to know how many I have. So I have 4 tens. But I know that this 4 is worth 40. And then last I have my ones. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them here. So in my one spot, I'm going to put a 5. Okay, so that's just a little reminder of how to do place value. So once I have my number like this, and remember on subtraction, we only put the top number in here. We don't put the other number in there in our chart. So if our problem looks like this, 245 minus 128. So when I have my place value chart of my hundreds, tens, ones, I would draw it out like this. So here's my problem. Here's what I would make it look like. 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. So this is what I should have, 245. So now I know that I need to subtract 128 from my 245. So like always, we have to start in our ones spot. So as you see in our one spot, I have 5 ones. If I have 5 ones, I cannot take away 8 ones. So what we have to do is we have to go over and borrow. So I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to move it over here. Now when we do that, we have to remember that this is an actual 10. It's not just worth 1. So it's like us taking one of these and breaking it apart, and so that we have now 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this, we're taking this and we're breaking it apart into the 10 ones here and moving that over into the ones place. So I'm taking the 10 and I'm breaking it apart over here, so now I have 10 more ones. So I need to add 10 ones over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I've done that. Now I have all of these, which let's count them up and see how much it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I now have 15 over here. Now can I take away 8? Yes. So here's 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's take all of those away. So this is what's left. And now I can count that up. 5, 6, 7. And put my 7 down here. So I know that that is finished over here. I'm done with that. Now I need to go over to my tens place. And let's look at the problem again. So I had 4 and I need to take away 2. So here's my 4. This one's already gone, so I can't count that anymore. There's no longer 4 there. There's 3 there. But I still need to take away 2. So there's 1, there's 2 that I'm taking away. And this is what's left. So I'm going to go ahead down here and put 1. That's how many I have left. And now I'm going to go over to my hundreds place where I have 2 and I need to take away 1. So I'm taking away 1 here. This is what's left. I'll move my 1 down here.